Hello, fifth grade. How are you? Nearing the end of the year. All right. This session I'm doing today is your second from last video. Okay. So this is for Monday, June 8th, and then June 10th. I'll give you your last video, and you will have completed Unit 7. Okay. So we actually got through what we wanted to get through. All right. So let's look at June 8th. This is Module 4, Sessions 1 and 2. Session 1 is deck building, and they're pretty much talking about area. I don't know if they're going to throw any perimeter in there or not, but it looked mostly area. So if you have a deck 2.3 meters by 4.7 meters, they kind of want you, they're asking you in different parts of the student book, you're going to use a lot of what you've learned, okay? So this is the area model for this problem, and there might be a spot in here for doing the algorithm, okay? Then there might also be where you do partial products, like 2 times 4 is 8.0. I'm not going to go ahead and do it, but because I did it down here. But so there's several ways you can do this, and they kind of want you to try them all. So anyway, so you know that you add up these partial products. I know that's from, that even could go back to third grade. I don't know, but so you got 10.81 meters squared for that particular deck. So they're going to ask you, if we were in class, we would be doing quite a few of these, but they're actually pretty easy, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on them. So here's 5.4 times 4.2, or as my professor in college said, this is 4.2 times 5.4. However you want to say it. This side is partial products, okay? So it's kind of like doing the area model, but you're doing it in an algorithm format, okay? So 4 holes times 5 holes is 20, okay? 4 holes times 0.4 is 1.6. 5 holes times 0.2 is 1.0, okay? And then 0.2 times 0.4 is 0.08. You add them up, 22.68. If that was a deck in meters, for instance, that's meters squared. Here's the algorithm that a lot of you already know how to do. Just remember, when you're doing the decimal algorithm, the standard algorithm, here you set up your problem, but as you're doing your partial products, forget about the decimal, okay? Just do 54 times 42. And what you end up with is 2,268, except we have 2 numbers to the right of the decimal. So that means 1, 2, and there's where you get your 22.68. So they kind of want you to try all of these, you know, at least once or twice to get, you know, bridges. They want you to know many ways of doing the same problem. All right, session 2, this is kind of referring to page 293, 294 in your student book. Goes along the same lines. If we were in school, we were going to be doing this together. This is in the teacher's guide. But if you had a pack of gum that's $1.38, $1.38, and it's got 6 sticks in it, how much is each stick? So you have like 4 of these to do. On these 2 pages, they make like 4 charts like this, okay? So you just take the divisor, and that's your ratio table. So this ends up being groups of money, total money, and you want to get to that $1.38, okay? So over here, you're trying to combine amounts, and what I did is the book gave me 60 cents, $1.20, 0.06, 0.3, and then I'm like, wait, if I have $1.20, I only need 18 more cents. And then I did this one down here, 0.03 times 6 is 0.18. Boom, there you go. $1.20 plus 18 cents is $1.38. 20 cents plus 3 is 23 cents. It's 23 cents per stick of gum. Now, on that same page, they give you 2 of these on the whole page of 293 and 294. So there's 2 and 2, a total of 4. So you have a whole page. So what are you doing with the other space? Well, besides doing this, they want you to do this too. The area model, okay? Using 6 once again as a divisor, but also as a factor, trying to get to $1.38, okay? Using the area model. And they also want you to do the algorithm. They give you this whole amount of space to do ratio table, area model, algorithm, all finding the same answer, 23 cents. So that's going to take some time, especially if maybe some of you are better at certain parts of this than others. I know a lot of you are really great at the algorithm already, and that's super. When you get older and teachers aren't expecting you to do certain things, maybe that's what you'll use all the time. But we're right now, as 4th and 5th graders, 4th grade last year for you guys, we're working on number sense, okay? We want to understand numbers in many different ways. Now, they also talk about, and this will, you'll know what I'm talking about when we talk about, this is like the over strategy. If you have $5.82, you're dividing it equally among, let's just say 3 kids. You could do that, okay? And down here I did. If you could come down here, here's $5.82 divided by 3. There's the algorithm, but they also wanted you to see, what if you just made it $6 divided by 3? Well, it's almost $2 a piece, except it's short 18 cents. So you went 18 cents too much. So if you take that 18 cents divided by the 3 people, you have to take away 6 cents per $2. So $2 divided by 6 cents is $1.94. And as you can see down here, that's the answer, okay? So this is all pulling together all the stuff that you've learned at Shawnee for the past 5-6 years, and pulling it together, okay? So this is half of Module 4. We'll do the other half on Wednesday, June 10th. And as you can see here, this is your homework for tomorrow, Tuesday, June 9th, okay? And we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So take a look at that. It's not as much as I usually give you because I wanted to split up Module 4 into 2 sessions. So we'll finish that, the last one, Wednesday, and then you're done. So thank you, and have a great day.